Hi everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. So today we have another tool review for hit or miss, and something I wanted to show you because I think if this tool works it's going to save us a lot of time in some of our crafty activities. Now you may have seen those cool pom-pom trees you see on your screen right now that I made a while back, and I ended up making them into a village. But what I wanted to show you was if you don't want to buy pre-made ones, or maybe you want to make a pom-pom garland or a pom-pom wreath, then you might want to do custom colours. So Red Heart have come out with this pom and tassel maker. Again, something that I just picked up when I was in the store. It looked really cool. It is patent pending, so that implies that it has something pretty cool and unique to it. So let's open up the packaging. I already have some wool or yarn here ready to go, and I'm told it's really simple. I did watch a quick video online about how to do it. So you'll have 3 pieces like this, and they go together just 1 and 2. So that is literally all you have to do. That's how easy it is to assemble. And of course, that's easy for it to put away too. You can reuse this packaging as well, or maybe put it in like a little pouch or something. And then you have these. So you can go in here, or if you really want to go shorter, you can go in here like this. And then to do your poms, tassels, however you want to, whatever you want to create, then this is how simple it is. So I'm going to take my Tim Holtz haberdashery scissors, love these scissors, and I'm going to cut myself a few lengths of yarn just like this. They do not have to be even, it doesn't actually matter, and you can create as many or as few as you want. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to go here, actually move that along, just making sure this is roughly in the middle, so thereabouts. So really simple. And then once you've done that, all you're going to do is start pulling your wool off, and I'm going to hold it just for the first couple of goes, and I'm just going around like this. And so you're going to want to keep going until you feel like your pom-pom or your tassel is as full as you want it to be. So I might actually end up putting some of those really cool little furniture feet on the bottom of this just to stop it moving around on me. But this is how simple it is. So I'm just going to pull off lots of this. Lucky our kitty isn't down here because I'm sure she'd have a field day. And if you haven't met our new kitty, go check out on social, Facebook, Instagram, all those things. You can meet Elise, our new cat, our studio cat. She loves living in the craft room upstairs. But I'm just going to pull this off. So as I'm doing this, as I say, this makes pom-poms and it makes tassels. So you can do either. There we go. Now I've got in my groove. So I'm just holding it and then looping around like this. I mean, really, really simple. As I say, you want to do it until you're happy with the fullness of whatever you're creating. Obviously, you're making smaller pom-poms. You might not want them as full. If you want bigger pom-poms, you might want them fuller. And here I'm just using a double knit, which I think is a sport weight yarn. This is British yarn that I already had because I do a lot of knit and crochet for the girls. Now, of course, don't forget to hit subscribe, ring the bell, all of those fun things, because we are the official media partner again of Creativation. It's coming up in a few weeks' time, so you'll get behind the scenes access. We have a booth this year with some really fun things going on, and you won't want to miss everything we have to share with you. Got new things that we didn't have last year, so really, really excited. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and if you enjoy our videos, do give them a thumbs up. It really helps us. And you can also become part of our Hedgehog Hollow community. So you can become a channel member if you want to as well. All you have to do is hit the join button below or use the link in the video descriptions. We always have coupons in those video descriptions too, so it's worth checking out, plus all the supply lists. But if you are a member, it supports us as channel makers so that we can keep bringing you videos. But also, you get a birthday card, extra coupons, all of those fun things in there too. Lots and lots of savings. Behind the scenes access, and there's a Facebook group for our members too. So lots and lots of reasons to join. So I'm going to kind of go with this for now. You can see this is really easy. Once I got my yarn on the floor and I just pulled, it's come out really, really easily. So let's call this done for now. And I'm going to go like halfway down, and top tip when you're doing these is just tuck this in the middle and then it won't move. Okay, so make sure our wool is in our grooves, and there are little grooves in there to kind of hold it in place, so I'm making sure that's done. And I'm just going to pull this yarn down just like that. See, really simple. Next thing is to tie a knot. So we're going to tie, an extra pair of fingers would be really great if you have them. Sometimes what I like to do is just go around once and then come back on myself and tie again. And then you can get a really nice tight tie that way. You see how my second one is nice and tight. I'm just going to do looser ones on this. So, but yes, if you want tight ones, then really simple to do that just by coming back around on yourself. You'll find it gets a lot tighter. So there's a top tip for you if you're doing pom-poms and things. Okay, so that is literally it. Now the next step is to pull these out. And I'm going to take, I like having a pair of scissors just for thread and yarn because they stay so much sharper. Paper really dulls your scissors stay. So I'm going to take my haberdashery scissors. These are my Tim Holtz ones. And you can use our December Tools coupon on these too. And so I'm just cutting my ends. And then you have a couple of options. You can either move this around and eyeball where you want it, or if you keep it on here, you can actually use these grooves to get perfectly even poms. Just like this. And here is your pom-pom, and then you can just, go around, and you'll want to fluff it up. So that is literally it. That's how easy it is. Now, if you were going to do a tassel, when you have it around this end, you would cut this end down here and then leave one end done and then trim your tassel to size. And again, because you've got those grooves, every tassel is going to be the same size, which I think is super cool. So you'd only tie one tie on here and then cut it to the appropriate size that you want for your tassel. But it does come with an instruction guide. So you can see here, it tells you lots of different things you can do with it. It gives you different sizes. It tells you about how to do different knots to be able to adjust them. So lots and lots of things in there. And it also tells you like how many you can make, how to get exact sizes, all of those kinds of things. So there's great instructions in there too, but I really like this. And I love the fact it makes 3 pom-poms at once. So it saves me so much time as well. So I hope you enjoyed this hit or miss. It's definitely a hit for me. Links in the description below. And of course, all of those coupon codes. And don't forget to hit subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up and become a channel member too. But in the meantime, I will see you again tomorrow with another tip, trick tutorial, or maybe something a little bit different. But have a great day crafting, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. See you then. Bye.